Hey there science students! Ever been on a carnival that spins till your head feels like a candy floss? Well, today let's bring that excitement at our desk. Of course without the long lines and the popcorn spills. Yup, today we are building our very own mini carnival ride. Now let's buckle up and get it spinning.
Now let's unbox it and look at the material provided. MDF sheets, battery 9 volts, battery clip connectors and wires, 60 rpm single shaft DC BO motor, screws and threads. For the first step, hold the plate firmly and remove every piece by applying force with your fingers and toothpick. Do not apply excessive force as it may lead to damaging the pieces. For the next step, assemble the pieces as shown in the video. If you face difficulty in joining parts, use sandpaper to clean and smoothen the holes for easy assembly. Follow the steps as shown in the video.
And there you have it, your very own mini carnival ride, spinning with science and powered by you. Today, you learned about circular motions, electrical motors as mechanical design, and how all of that fun happens behind the scenes at amusement parks. Next time, when you are on a ride, you can proudly say, I made one of these, but a little bit smaller and a much more personality. Until then, stay curious and stay creative. Bye-bye.